What are some parts of a plant? Some parts of a plant include leaves, stem, and roots. Let's take a look at all three now. First off, I want to look at leaves, stems, and roots on one of these long dill. You know, my good friends. So let's pull out a dill. There's a nice dill. So right here on this dill, we have the flower head on top. That won't always be there, but whenever it's flowering. But let's start out with our leaves. Dill plants have these little frilly leaves with that dill smell that gives things like dill pickles their name. Then if we move down, we get this real woody stem, woody for this sort of a plant at least. And then down here at the bottom, we have the roots. So a plant like this has leaves, stem, and roots. The leaves are where all of that sunlight is captured, and it can photosynthesize sunlight into sugars. The stem gives the whole plant rigidity or structure so that it can reach up to the sky to compete for sunlight, as well as moves nutrients up from the soil and sugars back down. And don't forget, water. It needs to be able to move water right on up that stem from these roots. Here are the roots. The roots do capture nutrients in the soil and can bring them in, along with the help of various fungus and other things in that soil community. But the roots also bring up that water to keep this plant alive. Otherwise, it of course would wilt and die.
You've been watching the short versions of Science Foundations. We have full lab videos that can be streamed on our Patreon page or downloaded from our online store. Use the links below to access them. Buy the entire set of 75 episodes of Science Foundations, or just one episode or season at a time as you need them. In addition to the lab videos, we provide you with accompanying educational resources, such as PDF fillable student study guides and teacher guides filled with glossary terms, study guide key answers, suggested home experiments, and field trip ideas. We're constantly adding new resources, such as coloring pages and word finds. We're here to help your students get the most from these great episodes. Get all of them on our Patreon page or our online store.